Okay, we're in Bangkok right now, and we're kind of I don't even know where to tell you where we're at. I think they said it's Rama 9, and this is like a go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Sewer system, I think. It smells a little bit like it, but it's not. And I'm basically just kind of looking at back streets because I want to see other sides of Bangkok that most people don't see, and I like it. Looks pretty cool. And at the moment, we're gonna walk towards I think it's called Rama 9 Mall. I think we're gonna see if we can find it. I'm kind of going down these back alleys. It's just my way to see other parts of Bangkok. Yeah, it's just pretty cool because I'm in a spot that's all residential. And I think I need to get over there. But we're gonna walk through all these kind of cool looking residential places. It's like a single family home right here. Yeah, actually foreigners can buy a condo, but we can't buy anything like this. But these things look so cool. I think of this one. That beautiful housing like that. Look. It's really cool. Oh. So yeah, we're definitely in an interesting spot of Bangkok. I was just in Koh Samui and somebody was telling me that you can't get to know the real Thais, but he was kind of acting very authoritarian, like he really knew what he was talking about. Then as I got to talk to him more, I found out that this is his first time in Thailand, and he'd been at Koh Samui and Phuket and in Bangkok. And when I was in Koh Samui and such, you know, there's so many foreigners, and the Thais that are around are working in the service industry. So, you know, of course, it's not the real Thailand, it's the tourist industry. Oh, some really cool stuff. And I think the setup of Thailand, these aren't really cross streets, so I'm basically walking very residential. And if this is how most Thais live, it's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. That house looks amazing. Oh, look how elegant that is. Really cool. Beautiful door knockers. Wow. Oh. So yeah, I wish we could walk through it, but I think all this stuff is comes to an end. It'd be interesting if I get all the way to the end here and I can't go any further. If that's the case, I'll have learned something, that a lot of these things aren't throwaways. Oh, dang it. This is the end. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so I just learned something. I learned that these residential places are basically dead ends. You can't walk through this neighborhood. Wow, it's interesting. Straight ahead are these big condos and things like that, and right over here is like a whole other world away. So okay, all we can really do from here is just slowly walk back. But now we know. I mean, I can only assume that that's the case. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.